This week on Building Charles James, I run into a few fishing poles that have been hanging around the garage that need a better place to live. So we look around the shop and find some pieces of scrap wood African mahogany, and we build some fishing pole holders.
So as I was cleaning out the garage today, I saw that my fishing poles were kind of getting abused. So today, I'm going to go ahead and grab some scrap wood, African mahogany, and we're going to go ahead and make some fishing pole holders.
Now when the lights turn out, unfocus, overdose, slow, hold up, don't choke this, lucid psychosis, kitty cat broke it, blinking out slow, get the money, don't choke.
Now when the lights turn out, unfocused, overdose, slow, hold up, don't choke this, lucid psychosis, kitty cat broke it, blick it out slow, get the most so flocious, we about both, keep it breathing, keep it dark, we can spark trees and I won't see meaning, we could catch feelings, speak about dreams and I want so freely, speak about you and me, I'm so deeply.
Overdose, slow, dope, don't choke this, lucid psychosis, kitty cat broke it, blinking out slow, get the most so flocious, we about both, keep it breathing, keep it dark, we could spark trees and I won't see, we could catch feelings, speak about dreams and the world so free, speak about you and me oh so deeply.
I kick it up, fuck mad shit, kicking up, speakers freaking easy on my plastic, bad shit with true feet and breezy on the couch at the back of the room, we can practice some black tricks and magical moves and pull focus, the walls breathe sweat, tap the load this up, let it flow slowly while I open up, broken up, tonguing out my name on some thug shit, you could be the future that I fuck with.
Now when the lights turn out, I'm focused, overdose, slow, hold up, don't choke this, lucid psychosis, kitty cat broke it, kick it out slow, get the most so flocious, we about both, keep it breathing, keep it dark, we can spark trees and I won't see meaning, we could catch feelings, speak about dreams and I want so freely, speak about you and me,
12 plus 12, I put my face on your face too. I'ma tie you up and then I break you. Snipping more fancy, future fantastic. Wasting mad swimmers on your back and break plastic. Fucking with your Cupid black magic. I'm a freak, you, we could both play easy, but let's both be cool and part two shit. Time to get ruthless. You and me are kinda like a unit I can cool with.
now when the lights turn out, I'm focused, overdose, slow, hold up, don't choke this, lucid psychosis, kitty cat broke it, kick it out slow, get the most so flocious, we about both, keep it breathing, keep it dark, we can spark trees and I won't see meaning, we could catch feelings, speak about dreams and I want so freely, speak about you and me, I'm so deeply.
Overdose, slow, dope, don't choke this, lucid psychosis, kitty cat broke it, leaking out slow, get the most so flocious, we about both, keep it breathing, keep it dark, we could spark trees and I won't see meaning, we could catch feelings, speak about dreams and the world so free, speak about you and me oh so deeply.
I kick it up, fuck mad shit, kicking up, speakers freaking easy on my plastic, bad shit with true feet and breezy on the couch at the back of the room, we can practice some black tricks and magical moves and pull focus, the walls breathe sweat, tap the load this up, let it flow slowly while I open up, broken up, tonguing out my name on some thug shit, you could be the future that I fuck with.
Now when the lights turn out, I'm focused, overdose, slow, hold up, don't choke this, lucid psychosis, kitty cat broke it, kick it out slow,
Thank you
get
for
the
watching
most
this
so
week's episode. If you like what you
flocious,
saw,
we
like
about
it down
both,
below.
keep it dark, we can spark
One of my favorite things to do is
Next week on Building Charles James, we're going to head to Gabby James' Redondo Beach Bar, and we're going to redo their White Oak Bar. Subscribe below so you don't miss any episodes, and we'll see you next time.
Fucking with your Cupid black magic. I'm a freak, you, we could both play.